Hey everybody, this is Joe. Thank you for watching my Giga Texas construction update video. A special thank you to all of my outstanding Patreons for your continued encouragement and support. Patreon members get access to hundreds of high-resolution photos, previews of the future material, and direct dialogue with me. If you would like to support my channel, please consider becoming a patron using this link, which is also in the video description. Please also consider hitting the like and subscribe buttons, as this helps as well. Thank you. Idra, the company that manufactures the Gigapresses for Tesla, released a new open house video on the 31st of March, and here is the full link. I recommend you take a look at that video link. It'll be in the video description as well. It's got a lot of great information. So as mentioned, this came out on the 31st of March. It gives some details about the Gigapress, its operation, talks to some of the engineers that make it, its benefits, and some of the delivery numbers for 2021. And so this builds on my 20 March video, and it helps refine some of the likely timelines that we discussed. So let's take a look at an excerpt of the video that I put together. And again, look at the full video for all of the information.
My warmest welcome, ladies and gentlemen, to the open house at our Idra plant here in Italy. Let me introduce our General Manager, Riccardo Ferrario, and I am John Stokes, responsible for our R&D and Technical Centre, and later on we'll meet Fiorenzo Dioni, who's our Chief Designer and Engineering Manager.
Proudly, our Gigapress is for sure the start of the show. First, I would like to justify my salary and spend a few words on Gigapress and the unique advantages that Gigapress can ensure to our customer. You are going to see Gigapress number 3 in our shop floor, running full in automatic cycle. For your information, 2 Gigapresses have been already shipped and installed at our customer plants, running production batches of the largest casting part ever made worldwide. And now we have an additional 9 Gigapresses to be delivered during 2021, and we hope that more orders might come soon.
From those video excerpts, and again, I would recommend you look at the full video, we can get a few conclusions. One, we know that 9 more of the casting machines will be delivered this year. 2 were already delivered last year to Fremont per the video. And we know that Giga Berlin is calling for 8 of them, and Giga Texas probably 6 of the 6,100-ton casting machines discussed in this video, and then potentially up to 6 more of the larger ones for the Cybertruck, which is unique to Giga Texas. We already know Giga Berlin has 2 of them. We have 1 at Giga Texas. It's possible Tesla may choose to divide the remaining 6 up by sending 3 to each, but prioritizing Berlin. And if this is correct, we can look at the timelines and project them out and see how that affects what we discussed on the 20th. I also expect that this is for the 6,100 and not the 8,000. I think those are separate, and we'll probably see 1 or 2 of those delivered to Giga Texas as well. So looking at the timelines that we talked about on my earlier videos, what I think we're going to see is probably 2 Model Y casting machines operational in the June to August timeframe, with an additional 2 more arriving by the end of the year, and then they'll further build out that capacity in 2022 as production ramps. I also think we're going to see probably 1, maybe 2 larger of the 8,100 casting machines for the Cybertruck. Probably 1 around October to get that initial production facility going, and then probably 2 by the end of 2021, and then building out further. So you can see on the timeline here, you can see where the Model Y and the Cybertruck casting machine estimates are, and it still fits with the timelines Tesla has given about production. So anyway, this is what my ideas are, and from the video, I'm hoping that this generates discussion, so let me know your comments. I wanted to pass along this late breaking news. According to the Austin Business Journal on 2 April, SpaceX is building a Starlink facility, and it will be across the highway from Giga Texas. So that land area we see being leveled, this is where that facility will be. I'll try to get more information in the future, but here is the article and a link so you can take a look yourself. My drones are ready and raring to go. Let's go flying over Giga Texas.